So today I'm showing the interop with Visual Studio Code, and Blitz Search is a standalone tool. So the extension itself is pretty shallow in Visual Studio Code, but let me just go ahead and demonstrate. If I have my caret on these words and press Control Shift F, you'll see that it does the its own custom, like this is whole word and this is the force case sensitivity for that, and so you'll find all the references to vector clear in a kind of dumb just text search kind of way. But the other cool thing about this is, you notice when I'm clicking on these, it's taking me to that line in Visual Studio Code. It has a preview pane, and that's indicated by the italics here. So I'm not opening a bunch of files in Visual Studio Code just to preview. I can use those as click. BlitzSearch also has its own preview pane. If you have that open, it's using that instead of this. So closing that, you get that. This behavior is mirrored in Visual Studio. So this is another cool part that I want to show today is with Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code, you get the automatic context switch here. So you see Visual Studio open to the UE5 solution. And with here, this is the folder selection within BlitzSearch. You can change it to the solution files from the context here. So you can search solution or the selected project. So if I'm in a project here, it'll scope to that. So also you have open files and active files in there, but yeah, really cool.